First, right-click on the Start menu. Then, select Device Manager. In Device Manager, find Batteries. Click the arrow next to Batteries to expand it. You should see an option called Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Right-click on it. Select Uninstall Device. Then click Uninstall to confirm. Once the driver is uninstalled, we need to reinstall it. Right-click on Batteries. Select Scan for Hardware Changes. Windows will automatically detect the battery device and reinstall the driver. Once the process is complete, check your laptop battery again. See if the battery is now charging normally. That's it. This is how you can fix the issue where your laptop battery is stuck at 0% charging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!